Hi, today we are working out like the 5 colors in Magic the Gathering. So we are going to be doing 5 exercises repeated twice. All 45 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's just get our bodies warm by doing a little bit of a standing march, or if you want, you could do a bit of a standing jog, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of march, make sure I'm swinging my arms, get those arms warmed up too. We are going to be using some weights if you want to, but you can always do the exercises without weights if you don't have any, or you're just not feeling that today. So take this time to go and grab some if you want, and let's just warm up our legs a little bit by doing a squat, a few squats. All of these exercises are going to be fun and magic inspired. I have been trying to play as much magic as I can. All right, and let's just do some arm swings back and forth. I can't do them to the fullest extent because I don't want to hit the mic. And let's just do some shoulder rolls, just to get those shoulders and everything all good and warm. Maybe let's just do a few torso twists to help engage that core. We gotta make sure we are engaging that in every exercise we do so we have a strong center and we are not hurting our backs. All right, well, I think that's enough for the warm-up, so let's get into the workout. All right, we've got about 10 seconds before the workout starts, so make sure your weights are handy, but we are first starting with white, which is order and discipline squat holds. So we are going to squat down and hold for 3 seconds. 2, 1, and back up. Make sure your form is good. Knees over toes, shoulder width apart, and back up. You are feeling this in your glutes. Pretend you are spreading them and then coming back up. It's a little funny, but then you are squeezing at the top. You are still working them, but loosening and then squeezing as you come back up. You've got that control, you've got that order and that discipline, and maybe on the way down for those 3 seconds, you are finding another little guy to put out, because you've got so many little guys, little 1-1 guys to put on the board. All right, with that life link. And next up, we are moving on to blue, which is controlling the board, and we are going to do some mountain climbers. So you can use your weights if you have them, if they're big enough to hold on to, and you can do some slow, controlled mountain climbers. Or we can do some fast ones if you want that cardio, but I think keeping that control, because that is what blue is all about. Using those counter spells, that board control, so many freaking spells. So much freaking magic. All right, let's just keep doing that with our controlled mountain climbers. And I want you to let me know, what is your favorite color combo to play in the comments below, because I want to keep learning more about magic, because I've been trying to play it as much as I can. All right, next up, we are moving on to black, which we are grabbing our weights and doing some deadlifts. So grab those weights. You can have some heavier ones, and we are going to slowly lower down, better shins, and pull back up. We are slowly lowering down. We are coming back up. So we are placing our creatures into the graveyard, and we are grabbing them back up. We are slowly putting our creatures into the graveyard, and we are bringing them back out, putting them back on the board. We are being so sneaky, putting them in the graveyard, and then we're like, oh wait, we're back from the dead. All right, very nice. Make sure you are squeezing your glutes for that. Next up, we have got red, which these are gonna burn, because red's all about that burn and aggression. We've got some squat jumps. Oh baby, some squat jumps. So squat down and jump up. And if that is too much for you, just do some squats and go onto your toes, squats, toes. If that's still too much, just keep doing some normal squats, but let's do those squat jumps for as long as we can. So we are burning everything, maybe using some goblins, some fire, because we are feeling that burn in those quads, in those glutes. Oh, baby, I just hit the wall. My goodness, we are so close. 2 and 1. Oh, I'm feeling that red, feeling the fire in my quads. All right, and the last one we are going to be doing this round is green. We're gonna be doing some lunges. So we are pretending we are stomping those, because we are those big creatures, big stompy stomps, using that trample. Oh, I have a feeling your legs and my legs might be on fire when we are done this workout. Oh boy. When I made this one, I did not realize I didn't put that many arms in this one. So definitely a leg focused workout. Got 2, 1. Nice, take that breath. So we are starting from the top, back to white for the squat holds, but we're gonna make them a little bit more difficult. All right, so squat down. We're gonna hold for 5 seconds. 4, 2, 1, back up. Try to catch your breath on these and back up. I can feel my quads burning. Some leftover fire from that red. Make sure you are having your knees tracking over your toes. You're not bending inwards. You are right over top. Oh. Next up, we're moving on to blue. So get ready. We are going to go back on the ground and we are going to do some mountain climbers. You can keep them slow, but we are going to do a hold at the third one. So 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. This should be good on your core. 1, 2, 3, wait, oh, 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I bet you can feel it, because I can feel it. Whoa, baby. Make sure you are tucking in your core, tucking in your abs. You should be feeling this in your shoulders, your abs. Woo. And come back up. Next, we're doing black, which is bent, which is, oh my gosh, deadlifts. Take this time to catch your breath. So, going down slowly and coming back up. Now would be the time, if you have heavier weights, to use them and really feel the work on the slow way down, up, fast. Not super fast, but you bring it back up. Make sure to catch that breath. Get your breathing. Try to get it in through the nose, out through the mouth. Breathe at the top. Breathe and out at the top. All right, next we're going to do those squat jumps. So if you didn't do them last time, try to see if you can do them this time. We're gonna try and do them even faster. So this is gonna burn, everyone. Let's go. Woo. Squat, jumps, yowza. After this, we've only got one more. Oh my goodness. I can feel this. I actually might not be in the frame. Whew. I might have to go onto my toes and do a few of these. And then for the last 10, I will do the squat jumps with you. All right, squat jumps for the last 10. Come on, you can do it. Feel the burn of red. Oh, oh my God. Catch your breath. And then we will doing some lunges. We're gonna hold at the bottom. About a 3-second hold. Whew. Take that lunge. 2, 3, back up. Down, 2, 3, back up. Whew. If you wanna make it a little bit more difficult, do a front lunge. Mine are a little bit hard on my knees, so I stick to back lunges. But we are trampling all of our opponents. We are using that big damage. We are using that nature. Oh my goodness, we are done. Let's move on to the cool down. All right, let's just sway back and forth. Oh, and let's grab our quad and do a quad stretch, because holy cow, I can feel my quads burning. Pull your knee back and press those hips forward to really feel those in the quads. So far, I have only played Bumbleflower, Bellow, Auntie Ool, let's change sides, and Eowyn from Lord of the Rings decks. I really, really want to get my hands on the Ninja Turtle Commander deck, because I think that would be very, very fun. But yeah, I don't play a ton of like really white focused decks. All right, let's do a figure 4 stretch because we work those glutes too. So let's cross our leg over top of the knee and sit back with your hand up against a wall, or you can balance if you want to, but you should feel this in your glutes. Yeah, I mean, I suppose Bumbleflower has some white in there, but it feels more of like a blue, more control deck. What's a group hug deck? Tell me what commanders you like to play. What's your go-to? I'm always looking for more. It's so hard to find an actual pod to play with though. It's the forever issue. I have to teach all of my friends magic. All right, let's just do a hamstring stretch too. So let's reach up to the sky and fold all the way over and just pull into the knees. You should feel that in your hammies, down the back of your legs. All right, and let's just bend our knees and do a slow roll up to standing. Let's just roll those shoulders back. All right, well, thank you so much for doing the workout with me today. There should be more stretches on the screen if you want to, more workouts if you want to keep going. But yeah, that's it. Check out my Patreon if you want, and I will see you in the next one.